Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta Madre. This traditional Italian sourdough starter is a fantastic way to elevate your baking. We'll start with just two simple ingredients, flour and water. The process requires a bit of time, but the delicious results are absolutely worth it. Get ready to create a vibrant, active starter that will bring incredible flavor to your homemade breads and pastries. Let's begin by combining 100 grams of strong bread flour with 50 grams of water in a bowl. Mix these ingredients together until you have a shaggy dough and there are no dry bits of flour left. Once combined, cover your bowl loosely with plastic wrap or a damp cloth. Now, simply let this mixture rest at room temperature for a full 24 hours to kickstart the fermentation process. After the initial rest, it's time for the first feeding. Discard all but 50 grams of your starter, keeping only the most active portion. Now, add 50 grams of fresh, strong bread flour and 25 grams of water to the remaining starter. Knead this mixture gently for a few minutes until it's well combined. Cover it again and let it rest for another 12 to 24 hours, depending on its activity. Once your pasta Madre is active, you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week between uses. When you're ready to bake, simply take it out and feed it every 24 hours until it's bubbly and strong. Remember, consistent feeding is key to a robust starter. For more great kitchen tools, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below, along with other fantastic deals. Enjoy baking with your homemade pasta Madre.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.